Hey, it's Liv with WTI. I struggled with bad lighting every time I filmed. My face looked dull, the shadows were harsh, and no matter how good my makeup was, it just didn't translate to camera. So I finally grabbed this awesome ring light from TODI, and it totally changed my entire filming process and how my videos turn out. I really love the quality of the lighting. It's bright but still really soft, so it doesn't feel super harsh or wash me out. And I love being able to switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones, which is perfect for depending on the time of day or the vibe I'm going for. It can go up to 63 inches while still being sturdy, so you can get an overhead or eye level angle without worrying about tipping it over. I also used to constantly fight to find a window ledge to prop my phone on, so I love the versatility of being able to use this ring light anywhere. I love using it for my online meetings or just filming solo content. It comes with a super handy remote, so that makes filming alone much easier and way more efficient. I don't have to keep getting up to press record, and my phone stays secure while I'm filming, which is such a huge relief. So if you're tired of fighting bad lighting and you want something easy, affordable, and effective, this is one of those upgrades you won't regret. And that's my point of view.